Maria Lilia F. Realubit is a Bicolano author and a retired professor from the College of Arts and Letters, Department of English and Comparative Literature. She was the president of UP Folklorist INC and the founder and organizer of the Archdiocesan Museum in Naga City.
A fun fact about her is that she graduated cum laude from the Colegio de Santa Isabel 1960 with a Bachelor Science Education degree. She obtained her MA in Literature at UPD in 1962. She earned her master's degree in linguistics at the University of California in Los Angeles through a Fulbright High Scholarship grant 1964 to 1966. She finished her doctorate in Philippine Studies at UP in 1985, Pineda 2017.
The achievements of Maria Lilia F. Realubit has she received the Lifetime Achievement Award in the Premio Tomas Arejola para sa Literaturang Bicolano in the year of 2004. She is among the 11 Filipino scientists awarded by the National Research Council of the Philippines on March 15, year of 2003, for her research on the intricacies of diverse Philippine culture.
Maria Lilia F. Realubit is also a recipient of the National Award Alagad de Balagtas by the Union ng mga Manunulat sa Pilipinas. She won a National Book Award in 1987 for her book Philippine Drama, 12 plays in 6 regional languages. She wrote the first book on Bicol history and literature, Bicols of the Philippines. People should appreciate and read her books, especially the Bicolanos, because in most of her works, she showcases Bicol literary history and linguistics. Even though it mostly focuses on the Bicolanos, non-Bicolano people can still enjoy it because her works are diverse.